The high you get off dabbing is much cleaner and much quicker than when you smoke traditionally. Now, if you're wondering what a social media dance craze has to do with smoking pot, then this is the right video for you. In today's video, we'll be discussing everything you need to know about dabbing and how to get the best experience and satisfaction when you smoke using this method. Dabbing is the process of taking a cannabis concentrate and smoking it in what's called a banger. You heat up the banger using a torch and then dab the concentrate into it. That flash vaporizes the THC and other cannabinoids in the concentrate, giving you a fast hit of the concentrated cannabis without any of the extra plant matter that you would normally get when smoking. Technically, dabbing is not smoking and it is vaporizing, as when you're inhaling the concentrate, it's coming in the form of a vapor and not the form of smoke. At this point, I'm sure you're excited to try the process, but hold your horses. To start, you'll need a dab rig. Right here is a dab rig. It's basically a small bong, but with, instead of a bowl, you have a banger on the end. You can buy these both at your normal head shop. You can find links to both on Amazon in the description below. What am I saying? Fucking buy somewhere from, not me. So here's how it works. First, you put some water in the chamber of your dab rig. You put the nail on and you start heating it up with the torch. Once the nail is red hot, you can go ahead and dab your concentrate into there and you take your hit. Now, there's some big variance based on the amount of heat that you've applied to your nail. And basically you want to get it red hot and then let it cool down to an appropriate temperature. Now, the hard part is knowing when it's cooled down. Some people just do it based off time, and some people hold their wrist above it to try and get an approximation of the heat. So the Terp Timer hopes to evolve your ritual by allowing you to use a built-in timer and temperature sensor to let you know exactly the temperature of your dab nail and let you take your rip that way. Instead of just doing an approximation of how long it takes, you go ahead and take your hit at the exact temperature that you set the device to. The challenge normally with dabbing is taking your hit at the appropriate temperature, and that's where the Terp Timer comes in. It has a built-in temperature sensor to allow you to take your hit at the exact temperature that you tune it into. No more taking hits that are too hot that make you cough horribly, and no more taking hits that are too cool that you have to scoop out of the bowl with a Q-tip. Eventually, some people get the hang of it from intuition or just experience and can tune the temperature in themselves, but even then, it's a lot easier just to be able to rely on a device. The Terp Timer is a simple, handy device that is very easy to use. At the side of the device is a power button, which turns on the display screen at the top. Beneath the display screen, you'll see 3 buttons that are used to set up the device. Pressing the settings button in the middle of the device will scroll you through the settings. First setting is the laser. If you enable that, there'll be a red laser shown that will help you straighten the device. However, the temperature sensor is on the left of the laser, so don't mistake that and focus too much on the laser. The next setting is the volume. You can turn it off or on mute. And the final setting here is the temperature control. And here you can set the preset temperature at which you will hit your dab at. With this value all set, all you need to do is place the Terp Timer underneath the nail of your dabbing rig. The Terp Timer has a temperature sensor at the top of the display screen that reads the temperature of the nail and the concentrate. One cool thing about this device is that you don't need to pay too much attention to the rig as it cools down as the nail has been heated. You just need to wait for that beeping sound that tells you the ideal temperature has been met and that you can now enjoy inhaling the flavor. The Terp Timer is suitable for all types of dab rigs, irrespective of their sizes. All you need to do is set your temperature and let the device do the rest. Now you can easily get that high quality concentrate flavor that you so much desire. This device is a must-have if you dab your concentrates. If your device is too small, you can just stack some stuff under it and that'll hold it up higher. And if your device is too big, just do the opposite with your Terp Timer. The Terp Timer is made with a polycarbonate panel and is a durable, dynamic, multicolored screen that makes it easy to understand. This device is also equipped with a 1000 ampere hour lithium-ion battery that supplies the device with months of power between charges. For a single charge, you can expect the Terp Timer to work for about 2 to 3 months. The device is also made with an attractive aerospace alloy body designed to ensure the device lasts long. The device comes with an anti-tip magnetic base to help keep it in place at all times. The Terp Timer will cost you about $159 and is available in candy pink, black, and marble colors. Octave, the makers of the Terp Timer, offer a 10-year warranty for this device. So what do you think about Octave's Terp Timer? Would you like to try it out? We'd absolutely love to hear what you think about this device. Let's have your thoughts written in the comment section below. See you in our next video.